Hey guys, I'm experiencing a typhoon here in Okinawa, Japan. Take a look around. It's raining. People are indoors. You don't find anybody on the streets. See that beautiful manicured tree over there? Again, everybody's inside. But guess what? As they're inside, they're eating. Why? Because they're hungry. They're drinking. Why? Because they're thirsty. That's the key point. When you're indoors, you do things that give you the pleasure to satisfy yourself. But guess what? At the same point of your hunger, somebody's outside. How many of you are saying, even though the storm is here, I'm outside because I'm hungry? I'm not hungry from the inside because I can eat. The hunger that I'm talking about is rain or shine. I'm out doing the things that satisfy my goal in life. Because why? I'm hungry. Stay hungry, everybody. Weather the storm. Enjoy. Gotta be free. Gotta be free. It's dark in there, and it's hard to see. Why? Because in darkness, things are less visible. However, sometimes in darkness, you have to be free, and you have to shine so others can see you. You're hungry, and you want to get to the next level. I'm talking about letting your light shine so others can see you, and in effect, you will inspire others to shine also. Stay hungry. Enjoy. Hey guys, are you a big fish or a small fish? I guess we're all born relatively small fish at birth. That is until we expand. And how is it that you expand? You expand when you eat. And why do you eat? You eat because you're hungry. The reality is we're not all going to be able to swim in the ocean with the big fish. Some of us will. But what it is we can do is eat and feed our appetite. Stay hungry. Expand. Enjoy. Hey guys, over the past week, I talked about the topic, stay hungry. I gave 3 examples. Today, we're going to recap and focus on example number 1. Here in Okinawa, there was a typhoon taking place, and everybody was indoors to take shelter. Nevertheless, as they were indoors doing those things that satisfy themselves, somebody was outside. And what were they doing? They're outside working. Could be working as a job. They're working on their goals. They're working on their dreams, their aspirations. The balance here is that even in bad weather, somebody is inside, somebody is outside. Those people who are inside for shelter. They're relaxed. They might have the feeling of being easy. Those people who are outside are saying, I'm still working. I'm not stopped by this bad weather. The weather's not stopping me. Family is not stopping me. My friends are not stopping me. The enemies that I might have are not stopping me. Haters are not stopping me. In fact, I'm not allowing my own self, the doubts that I might have, stop me from continuing to pursue forth with my design, goal, and aspirations. Why? Because these people are hungry. And what does it mean to be hungry? In this case, specifically, we're talking about pursuing defined goals and aspirations that you set forth, pursuing them to bring to a reality what you have designed, okay? I personally myself am always in a position to seek to redefine myself. I'm always looking to find goals and aspirations that I must achieve for personal goals. Today, I'm going to say this to you. I myself have the challenge. The challenge is up to you equally as well. Stay hungry. Continue to pursue these things and define your goals and aspirations. Stay tuned for topic number 2. Enjoy. Hey guys, again on the topic of stay hungry. I gave 3 examples Today, I'm going to focus on example number 2. The scene started with artist Hannah singing the song Free. The 1976 classic was an original sung by the singer, songwriter, and producer, African-American Miss Denise Williams. I give her that introduction because through her rhythmic accords, she is going down in history as being a great soul singer of our lifetime. In the song itself, she talks about the freedom and expression and independence of a woman to love her man. With that being said, I want to talk a little bit about this topic of being and feeling free. Many people are in a state of darkness as to their power when it comes to being free. And what do I mean by power? This is what I'm talking about. Specifically, I'm saying their talent, their genius, their creativity, their ability to find love despite that darkness in their past that gives them this reflection of something bad about the feeling and emotion associated with love. Moving past that, I'm saying stepping out of darkness into a position of light so that what their light can shine, so that your light can shine in a way that it becomes contagious. Contagious in regards to as your light shines, it by default affects others and allows their light to shine also. I want to personalize this. You know, I got my coffee here, but the thing is, it's gym time for me. I like the gym. Why? Because it brings about certain health benefits. For example, the heart, the skin, okay? It allows my blood to flow very smoothly. In addition to that, it's about the energy, okay? What does it do for my mind? It reduces stress, anxiety, things such as depression. In addition, take it even further. The energy that's associated by being healthy, that too becomes contagious. Being free, for me, is a way of exercising so that I can allow my light to shine and affect others in a positive way. Question for you. What is it that allows you to be free, to allow your light to shine? Answer that. Be free, stay hungry. Enjoy. Hey guys, today we're going to finish off the topic, stay hungry. I gave you 3 examples, okay? Example number 1, weather the storm. Example number 2, be free. Example number 3, expand. I'm expanding already. Why is that? Because look at me. I'm in teacher mode. I am in full educator mode. I got the whiteboard behind me. I got the shirt and tie on. And that's how I'm going to expand with this video from the jump. Listen here, you guys. I asked you the question, are you a big fish or are you a small fish? Okay, let's look at this because I'm asking the question of opposites, inverses, contrasts, paradoxes, vice versa, and so on, which are kind of flip of the coins. But the main point is a positive and a negative. The question relates to life experiences. And what I mean by that is, for example, are you rich or are you poor? Are you educated or are you uneducated? Are you happy or are you sad? Are you joyful or are you depressed? Does your life have purpose? Does your life have goals? You know where you're going? Or is your life going down a pathway where you're uncertain? The direction is unclear. The goals aren't developed yet. These are all questions that we must ask ourselves independently. In this case, expand means to look at your current position in life and see whether your circumstances are more positive or are they more negative. Take action to say, I choose the positive side over the negative side. It's up to you. Ask yourself the question and say this to yourself. I'm in control of the circumstances and I choose positive over negative. Personally speaking, again, you see me here with the whiteboard behind me. I'm in educator mode, okay? That's because why? That's because I am an educator and I have a story to tell. My negative side says this. Here's my negative side, and this is what it says. You're a part of the Generation X, which is the unknown Generation X. Your destiny is unsure. Where you're going to be in the next 20 to 30 plus years is unknown. As a black male as yourself, growing up past 21 is not a guarantee. Okay? Education is something that's a little bit beyond your capacity. That's the negative side. But I didn't choose to answer that negative side. I'm hungry. And I chose the positive side. And the positive side presented a different reality. And this is what it said. Now travel to 35 different countries. Having lived extensively outside of the United States, in Mexico, Japan, and the United Arab Emirates. Speaking the languages of English, Spanish, Japanese, and a little bit of Arabic. Okay? You are a published author. You are a university professor. You have a publishing company. And on top of that, you are a business owner. This is what the positive side that I've decided chose for my destiny. And this is what it's brought about. That's me. But how about you? Ask yourself that question now and say, have you decided to change the course of your life from the negative to the positive to bring about a desire that you want? Ask yourself that question. Expand. Stay hungry. Enjoy.